is its focus on sustainability.
People. The mentorship.
The technology with SFC.
I think in SFC you will get opportunity for hands-on learning.
Friendly and helpful people.
The standard we are maintaining while designing.
The thing like about SFC is its focus on sustainability, and also like everyone is here is willing to help each other out, and then you can talk to your seniors and or even managers or even director, and there is like no hierarchy system. So that's what I like the most, and because it's very flexible. And then I also like the chai times, the snack breaks. So these things are the ones I look forward to the most during the day.
Definitely the first would be the people. The people I work with, they are very helpful and also very entertaining. So the time just flows away. The second would be the mentorship, because after I joined SFC, I have seen how our mentors helped us. Still, they help us now also, even though we are handling projects on our own. And third would be the cafeteria time, that the time we spend with our friends. It's really it's good for us. I mean, it's refreshing.
For me, the first thing will be obviously the learning experience I am having here. It's quite vast, from working like as a process engineer, designing the STP, and then detail engineering, and then how we are erecting and commissioning the plant on site. And the second will be the mentorship. Our mentors and seniors are really helpful. They are teaching us even small things. So that's very helpful for us as a fresher. And the third will be the positive work culture. It's just not about work. It's always about if we are having some issues, we can talk with our seniors about that. The final will be like that as an environmental engineer, we are working in a wastewater. So it's like we are working towards a cleaner environment. So that's a nice point, that we are doing something good.
The first thing is the technology with SFC is working, that is CTEC or the ORX is the future, and who doesn't want to work with future. So another is there are people from my college, my seniors are already working with SFC, and their reviews towards SFC are so positive, like the positive teamwork, positive team culture, there is no hierarchy. So there are so many positive things which I like about SFC.
I think in SFC you will get opportunity for hands-on learning. There is a friendly work culture. Even there is a strong focus on technology and innovation. Even here is a very you can get guidance from experienced mentors. Leadership here is very supportive.
There is a very good learning opportunity here. And second, there is no such thing as hierarchy. We can even go and put our doubt to the CEO itself. And the third is friendly and helpful people. And the fourth will be better career progression here. And the last but not the least are the supportive managers, and the people here are very good. And to the new people or the graduates who are about to join SFC, I'd suggest you to be open-minded and inquire about your doubts.
I like the most is the people here. All are very supportive, very kind, always helpful. So, and very friendly. We can talk very casually also. So first is the people. Second is the standard we are maintaining while designing, or even if it's a drawing. When we compare with the other vendors' drawing or contractors' drawings, it's much better, very accurate and very precisely made. So that was what I like the most, the design standards we are maintaining. Third is obviously chai breaks. And new is the playing time we are having in the recreation.
Cafeteria, energy on the floor, ownership model,